Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing Mediterranean chicken souvlaki. It's the coolest recipe of all. It's marinated chunks of chicken in olive oil, garlic, oregano. I put a little bit of cilantro and chili pepper flakes. It's everything summer is all about. It's an awesome recipe, but it's definitely Basant style. I'm gonna go over the ingredients really quick, but don't worry, I'm gonna have everything posted in the description like I always do, so you'll have all the measurements. So let's get started. We have black pepper, salt, freshly chopped garlic, oregano, white vinegar, chopped dill, and chopped cilantro. I have 3 pounds of chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces, but I kept a piece on the side to show you how to cut it. Knife cuts are really important on this, but don't worry, I'll show you the whole thing. It's awesome. We have extra virgin olive oil, lemons, Greek pita, hothouse cucumber to make the tzatziki sauce, and the most important thing, we have whole milk Greek yogurt, not the regular yogurt. You need Greek yogurt because it's creamier to make the tzatziki sauce. Because without this dish has no value. But no worry, I'm gonna show you how to make it and I'm gonna show you how to marinate it. It's cool, it's awesome, it's Basant style. So you make a cut right in the middle and then at a slant about 1-inch pieces. See, like this. So when you put them on the pan, they cook evenly. Not too thick, they're gonna take forever to cook, and you don't want to burn the outside. See how perfect they are? And they're all uniform. That's what you want. We're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in it. A little fresh garlic, about 1 tablespoon, or half tablespoon if you don't like too. I like sharp flavors to taste. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. And I like to add cilantro, give it like fresh flavor. And I add like about half a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna give you the recipe in the description to give it a little bite. And then lemon, so you put your hand in it so you don't get any seeds in it. Okay, I got lucky, there's no seeds in it. Half a lemon will do the trick. And just mix it all in. And now you let it sit for like about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. And now we're gonna get started with the sauce. Now that the chicken is marinating, we're gonna take the cucumber and we're gonna start prepping the sauce. I have a whole cucumber peeled. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the seeds out. Just take a spoon and very gently. This is extra liquids and seeds you don't want in them. You want your sauce to be nice and tight. This is what you want. You take a hand grate and you just grate it up. All the cucumber is going to go in. The big pieces we take them out. So we add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And now we're going to let it sit so all the water can come out of the cucumbers. We're going to drain them and then we're going to put it in the yogurt. Let's get started. Place a medium-sized bowl. Put a clean rag over it and then take the cucumbers and put them right in the middle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain all the water out of it, that salt and vinegar. You see? You want it to be as dry as possible. And Make sure you get every single thing out, or as much as you possibly can. Just twist the towel, it'll do the job. So this is completely dry cucumber. You put it in the bowl. Towel on the side. Now we're gonna add yogurt and we're gonna start putting the sauce together. We're gonna add 2 cups of Greek yogurt. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon black pepper. Do 1 teaspoon salt. We're gonna do about half a teaspoon white vinegar. You can use more if you like it a little tart. And we'll do 2 teaspoons of fresh dill. And we do 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Now we mix and the sauce is ready. Well, sauce is nice and creamy. It's not watery. It looks amazing and it smells perfect. The sauce is made. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a smaller bowl and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator so it stays nice and cold, because tzatziki sauce tastes good when it's super cold. Like I've been teaching you guys from the beginning, you heat up the pan like 2-3 minutes before you have to start cooking. Put about, I would say about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil and let it get hot. Now again, the trick is the oil has to get really, really hot. So you put the chicken down and just make sure that all the fresh garlic you put in the marinade, you don't put it in the pan so it doesn't cook and burn. Just get the pieces out and lay them down and don't overcrowd your pan. You can also put it on skewers and grill it, but I like to pan fry it. So you just start just flipping them over. You see beautiful char on the outside. That's exactly wow. Look at that. That's hot. Take your time. Don't rush. Let it cook. Because this is what makes the dish. That's gorgeous. So now you just start taking them out. Wow. Look at the gorgeous color on them. Seasoning is encrusted gorgeously. The smell is so amazing. I could just eat this without bread or anything else. These are my pan-seared potatoes. Wow, look at the color. You just flip the sides. Olive oil does the job. In my last video, I showed you guys how to make them. I think I'm gonna do a full video on these two because I've been getting a lot of requests. But look at once they have the crisp on them on both sides, right here, I'm gonna season them with salt, pepper, lemon, cilantro, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Goes perfect with the souvlaki, and the potatoes are just to die for. You're gonna season the potatoes, a little salt, a little pepper, a little cilantro, and lemon we're gonna put right in the end when we are plating so they don't get soggy. A little Parmesan cheese. They are just, you can just eat the potatoes, forget about the souvlaki. Right, gently mix them in. The olive oil is gonna help hydrate them. And when you put the potatoes on with lemon, it's gonna be out of this world. So guys, everything is prepared. Chicken looks gorgeous. Tzatziki sauce is on point. Potatoes are my favorite. I have everything ready to plate because you know, plating is my favorite part. This is gonna be really cool. let's get started. We're gonna start off with our cutting board on my serving platter of choice. And we're gonna start building the platter. I like to start off with rice because everything just comes around it. So place the rice in the middle. So we're gonna do it so as if you're serving from two sides, front and back. I'm gonna show you, it's really cool. So rice is plated. Put the chicken down. Make sure it just stays right next to each other. The mountain. Put down a few potatoes. Start putting down the salad on the side. I don't usually plan anything how I'm gonna plate. I just go with it and see how it comes together. Usually it's pretty cool. Tomatoes, there's the hat. Put down the grape leaves. Plating. So you see we're gonna do diagonally from the other side. So when people are around, walking around, talking, and they're plating, they're still in front of each other. This little thing makes all the difference. Now the potatoes down on this side. Wow. Put the Tzatziki sauce. Now, Pita Bread goes on the separate cutting board. Wow. Now it's time for my favorite garnish. Dry parsley. Put a little on to break the color. Give it a little focal point. Wow. This is it, guys. This is as good as it gets. The souvlaki is on point. Pan roasted potatoes are gorgeous. Rice pilaf, tzatziki is perfect, and the plating is out of this world. Just imagine, you have a few people over, you have it right in the middle of your island. People are coming on both sides. They're grabbing a little pita, making a little plate. This is as good as it gets. This is Basan style. I hope you guys had a good time with this video because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time, Basan style. I'm taking for a spin. Okay. Wait. Can't do it without lemon. Oh my god. It is amazing. It is so fresh. Tzatziki sauce is just out of this world. And this, I wish you guys were here to try it. It is perfect. But some style. I think I ate too much too.